The first section is the year, the subsection that is quarter. Now the table is repeating for automatically quarter wise because table is placed in the subsection level. Okay. 2004, it is completed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 2005 section that is started. Within the 2005, again I have 4 sections automatically Q1. Okay. If I have 100 years, how can I jump to my required year of the quarter? How can I jump easily? Left hand side from the below 5th icon, like a available objects, that is the second icon. The 5th icon, left hand side. Can you see the fifth icon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, see the 5th icon? What is that? It's a report map. Yeah, report map. See the automatically 2 plus symbols are appearing. Report map. Report map. 2 plus symbols are appearing. What is my tab name? Tab name is a report one. If you click on the plus symbol, all the year sections are appearing. If you click on the any one year, automatically quarters are appearing. Let us suppose I want to see the 2006 of the quarter 3 data I want to see. I can expand the 2006. I can click on the quarter 3. Then the right hand side automatically the data jumped to the quarter 3 level. No, I want to see the 2004 of the first quarter. Click on the 2004 of first quarter 1. Then the data jumped to the right hand side to that area. That is called easily navigation by using this report map tab. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? Very important concept. The sectioning concept. Naresh, clear? How we are adding more than one section also. Now I want to display the subtotals. How can I display the subtotals and grand totals? Okay. First, make it as a structure view. How can we make it as a structure view?
Right click.
Yeah.
Space.
Not this space. Come out from the section. Not in the section area.
Yeah, white space.
Yeah. That is header you selected. Yeah. Just right click. Structure only. It's correct only. Structure only. Click on the structure only. Very good. Okay. Then the left hand side available objects, what I am selecting, please observe what I have selected. Where I have placed Naresh?
The quarter area.
Quarter area you placed. Very good. I am placing the sales revenue in one more area. What is that? Here I have placed. Okay, I am placing the sales revenue. Which area? Outside of the section I have placed. Then please observe the automatically with the data. Automatically see the values. Please remember, whenever you are placing the measure object within the section area, then it will display the total of the respective section only. So this is also very important point you have to remember. Okay. And one more point you have to remember when you apply the section. Structure only. Always the higher level section. What is that? The first section is here. That header I am moving into the subsection. Always it is possible. It won't be any problem. The higher level of the section header is placed to the lower level of the section area with the data. it won't be any problem. Then each quarter wise respective header is displaying. Q1 wise header is there, Q2 wise header is there, Q3 wise respective year, that is repeating. Okay, that is always possible. Structure only. Okay, now the subsection of the header I am going to place into the first section of the header I have placed. Then with the data, see the error message. What could be the reason?
This is more than 1/4.
Very good. Yes. In the year we have more than 1/4. You are trying to display in year level. It's not possible because the relation you can observe. The relation, actually that is year section. Year have multiple quarters. That is the reason it is unable to show all the values in the year cell level. So please remember, the higher level section headers always it is possible you can place into the subsections areas. When you are placing the subsection header cells into the higher level section, please remember the relation. If you have one-to-one relationship of the sections, we'll see one example of one-to-one relationships. With the data, this is the actual year-wise. Quarter 1 is there, quarter 2 is there, quarter 3 is there. Let me add another report. Using available objects, I am taking month name, state, sales revenue. Applying the section on the month, applying the section on the month name. Okay, two sections are applied. With the data, two sections are applied. Higher level headers, always it is possible you can place into lower level section. It won't be any problem. With the data, always it is possible. It won't give any problem. The higher level section header, always you can place into lower level. Structure only. This is the first section. The lower level section header I am moving to higher level section. What is the relation between month and month name? 1-to-1. Now see the data. With the data, is there any problem? The lower level section header, that is month name, is it displaying or it is giving the error? Why? Why it is displaying? Because the relation first section to second section, that is 1-to-1. When the relation having from one section to another section, if it is 1-to-1, you can place the headers wherever you want, either lower level section or a higher level section. It won't be any problem because 1-to-1 relationship. But here, the subsection having many relation, the higher level section having one-to-many relationship. So that time, don't place the lower level section header areas into higher level section area. It will give the error message as a multi-value. So please remember this point also when you are doing the sectioning concept. Very important concept with the data. Okay, now tell me, is the table displaying quarter wise or year wise? Yeah, very good. The table is repeating quarter wise, not on the year wise. because the table is placed in the quarter area structure only. I want to place a table in the within the year area. So first of all, you can see the gap. There is no gap between the year and quarter area. I need some area. Then what I am doing, I am minimizing the quarter. Now I have some space between the year and quarter. I have some space. Now I want to insert a table. How can I insert a table? In the first tab, report element, you have a table concept. The first icon is vertical, second icon horizontal, third icon cross tab. Which one you want? Which area you want to insert? I am just dropping in the year section area. Successfully a table is inserted. What do you want to display there? Quarter wise sales revenue. Remaining columns removing. Okay, see the data. With the data, please tell me what happened. Okay, one table is inserted. Which area? Is it a quarter area we inserted or year area we inserted? Year area. That is the reason a new table is inserted year area level. Then if you see the report 5 tab, 2005 area, click on the 2005 area. That is also having the table. Click on the 2006 area. That is also having the table. So this table is displaying within the year area. We displayed that. That is the reason that table is repeated for every year automatically. What I am displaying the table level? Quarter wise sales revenue. Then again each quarter wise the detailed data is there. Okay. Now I want to insert one more table where it is not belongs to any section. I want to place outside the report. What do you want to display? Year sales revenue. I don't need the remaining empty columns. With the data. The data what I am displaying year-wise sales revenue in a table, is it displaying only one time or it is repeating? Please tell me that. The data what I am displaying as a year-wise sales revenue, a table, is it displaying only one time or it is repeating?
Only once.
Only one time. Why? That is placed in the outside the section. If you are placing outside the section means it is belongs to entire tab. It is only one time. Don't forget. Okay. So this is the way how we can use the sections using the headers, using the tables. Not only the tables, we can display the data charts also. How? I am just the subsection area. I have a table that is state and sales revenue. I am copying that and paste into the within the section area I placed. I want to convert into a pie chart. Automatically, please tell me quarter area. Now I have two formats. One is vertical table, one is pie chart. Come to the year area. We have a vertical table that is displaying quarter and sales revenue. I am just pasting and I want to turn into column chart. Outside the section I have a table. I can convert into another format. Just right click, turn into a line chart. Okay, now with the data automatically, is this chart displaying only one time or repeating the line chart?
One time.
Why only one time? Why? Because it is not belongs to any section. That is belongs to for entire tab only one time. Come down. Then year section area. The first section year area that is started. Year area what I have two formats. One is displaying as vertical, that is quarter and sales revenue. One is displaying as a column chart. Come down. Then the subsection has started. Subsection quarter is there. Quarter I am displaying the vertical table as well as pie chart. Then it is repeating. Pie chart is repeating for every quarter. Automatically every quarter wise we have a vertical table, we have a pie chart. Then 2004 is completed. Then the 2005 is started. Then the year area, I have a vertical table, I have a column chart. Calm down. Then again the subsection is started. Subsection what I am displaying vertical table and pie chart. So this is the way you can use the charts also. There is no restriction. Very important concept. This way we can say section wise graphs also I can say. Section wise tables are displaying, section wise graphs are displaying. This is called sectioning concept. These many advantages with section. Adding a new tab. Then available objects. I have the year. I have the state. I have the sales revenue. Report element. Table concept is completed. Cell concept is completed. Section concept also completed. Then the chart. One way I can turn into chart formats or I can create from scratch. Number of charts are there. Column chart, line chart, area chart. So if we need some other charts, others also given. Stacked plot, bubble chart, number of charts also there. Still need some more. We have some other charts also. Or you want to convert, just select it. Under the tools, there is a turn into option also. Okay. Now, then the table has selected automatically. There is a concept under the table layout. What is that? If I click on the outside, nothing will appear. Up to tools and position, it is disappear. The icons are disappear. If I select a table, then automatically few more options are also appearing. If I click on outside, it is stopped the tabs up to linking. If I select the table, then few more options also added. Okay. Under the table layout, the first icon, what is that? Under the table layout, the first icon. Where is the table layout? Can you see the table layout first icon? Naresh?
Yeah, you want to look at it?
What is the concept first? Dominic, it's a break.
Break.
It's a breaking concept. Very good. Okay. I'm just splitting I'm not applying on this table. I'm just copying and pasting. I want to provide a message. How? Blank cell concept. second vertical table, the year column data cells are selected. Now to click on the break. Where is the break? Yes, that is the one. Very good. Third vertical table, select the state data, click on the break. Tell me the difference. Before applying the break on a table, after applying the break on the table, what is the difference?
It breaks it by the value in the column.
Based on the selection, same like a section concept. Based on the selective data, then the grouping has done. Automatically, the grouping has done within the table only. It is not going anywhere. Okay. Within the table only the grouping has done. Then we can go for the breaking concept. If you want to do the grouping within the table, when I apply the section, it come out from the table, then the grouping has done. But when I apply the break within the table, same 4 options. But easily navigation, that is the only is not possible. If you apply the break, and if I want to see the 2050 year, I can't jump 2050 year. I have to go page by page only. One way, scroll down, or one way, I can click on the next page and page wise only I can search my object. Okay, second vertical table, we performed the break on the year wise. That is the reason year wise it eliminates the duplicates. And how can I add the subtotals and grand totals here? Select the sales revenue data cells. For which column you want to display the subtotals and grand total. That column data you can select. Dominic. Sales revenue column data in the second vertical table. Yeah. How to perform the summations in the analysis. In the analysis tab, right hand side you have a sum option. Right hand side you have a sum function. Yes. Click on the sum. Then what happened, please observe. One moment. I'm just formatting. I'm just formatting the cells. What happened, please observe. When you selected the sales revenue and if you perform the summation, automatically what it displaying? What is this sum? Just double click, rename as a subtotal. Yeah. That is subtotal. Then slowly come down. 2004 is completed. 2005 is completed. 2006. After completion of all the years, can you observe? What is this?
Grand total.
It's a grand total. Very good. Provide the name as a grand. That is the advantage of those rows. Okay. In the third vertical table also, select the sales revenue, analysis menu, analysis tab, right hand side sum function is there. Click on the sum. What happened? Please observe. After completion of all the states, what is that? What is that? Is it a grand or is it a sub? It's a grand. Provide the name as a grand. Please observe whether you are grouping, that means whether you are breaking the data based on the year or based on the state. Is the grand value is changing?
No, it's the same.
Between the second vertical and the third vertical, second vertical we performed the break based on the year. The third vertical we performed based on the state. But that grand total will not be changed. Second vertical we displayed the grouping based on the year wise. Third vertical we performed based on the state. Your wish. Depends on your requirement. You can apply the breaking concept. So break, same as section, then easily navigation is not possible, and that grouping is within the table. It is not going anywhere. Okay. Can I add more than one break? Yes, you can add. Let's take the year, quarter, state, sales revenue. I am displaying as another vertical table. Okay. Now we have another vertical table. Apply two breaks. First on the year, where I can perform the breaking. One way, you can right click, you will see the break option. Another way, the report element, under the table layout, you have a break option. Either way you can choose. Click on the break. Dominic, click on the break. Okay, automatically duplicates are eliminated. The grouping has done based on the year wise. I want to perform one more break. Then select the quarter data. Apply the break. Then I want to display the subtotals and grand totals. Then select the sales revenue. Go to the analysis menu option. Right hand side sum function is there. Click on that. Automatically. So that sum, first sum is nothing but quarter wise. You can rename as a sum as a quarter wise. Just double click. Rename as the quarter wise. Then scroll down. Okay, it's okay. Whatever the name, it's okay. No problem. Come down. Scroll down. Q1Y subtotal. Q2Y subtotal. Q3Y subtotal. Q4Y subtotal. Come down. Q4 completed. That means year. That sum is what?
Yes.
Year. Rename it.
I'm sorry.
Instead of sum, provide the name as a year wise.
This one here?
Yeah, year wise. Double click. say year wise. Okay. After completion of all the years, Dominic. After completion of all the years, we have one more sum. What is that?
Grand total.
Yes. Double click on that. Rename as a grand total. Okay. We will provide some colors. One is on the quarter.
Now, if we were to change the setting in another section, like up here, will it change it everywhere as well?
Yeah. Same thing. Here you are performing on one break. It is common for all the values automatically.
Okay.
Can we see this layout in the report map, Suresh? How this looks like the layout, like if we have multiple tables in a single report?
No, report 3. Go to the report 3. How many vertical tables are there? It is appearing to you.
Yeah, got it. It's like the same thing that we did in the first one.
Yeah.
Got it.
So this is the breaking concept. Section and break both are very important in your representation area. Okay. Both are very important in the representation area. Okay. Please tell me before and after. Okay. Let's see the second vertical. Before and after, tell me the differences. First vertical, second vertical, what are the differences? Tell me what you understand.
First vertical and the second vertical.
So first vertical and second vertical, what are the differences?
We found year-wise separation.
Very good, very good. Yes, that is called year-wise grouping. That is called year-wise breaking. Very good. And any other? That is first one. Second one?
We deleted the duplicates.
Very good. Second one, duplicates are eliminated. Very good. Then see the title, the header. The first table, in the first table displaying only one time. Okay. Then the data continuous. What about the second vertical table? Is it displaying only one time or it is repeating? Is it repeating?
It's only one time.
No. See the second vertical. The name, year, state and sales revenue. Is it displaying only one time or it is repeating for every year? It's repeating for every year because of the properties. Where is those property? Where are those properties? After applying the break, can you see the drop down option of the break? Can you see the manage break option? Click on the manage breaks, Dominic. There are some properties. That is the reason it is performing like that. What is the first checkbox?
Break header.
Disable that. Click on apply and OK. Click on OK. Then tell me what is the difference before and after.
It took away the header.
The header has gone. Now there is no header. It is not displaying at least one time. But I want to display at least one time. How to display at least one time? We have to select the table. Then within the table layout, beside the break, we have a beside. What is the option? Don't drop down the break. We have the option called header. Now drop down the header. What is the option? drop down the header. What is the option?
Show table header.
Click on that. What is happening? Please observe what happened. It is displaying now table header. It is table header. It is displaying only one time or it is repeating? Only one time, because it's only table. It's a table header. Previously, we have seen the break header. The header is repeated for every value. That means it's a break header. If you want to repeat the header for every value, then use the break header concept. Then disable the table header. Now the header is repeating either table wise or break wise. The header is repeating. Is it value? Is it break wise? The header is repeating. Why? Because of the property break header concept. If I disable, now there is no header for break. I want to display for table. This is the way. If you want to display only one time, then use the table header. No, I want to repeat the header for every value, then use the break header. Sometimes the clients will expect, sometimes break headers will expect, sometimes they may need only table header. So this is the way. Very good. Now the table, if you observe the last row, what is the last row? Within the table, what is the last row?
Grand total.
Grand total. Where the grand total is displaying. If I disable the show table footer, what happened? Is the grand total is displaying?
No.
It's not displaying grand total because of the disabling the show table footer option. If you click on the show table footer, again it is going to show the grand total row. Click on that. It's displaying the grand total. So grand total is nothing but it belongs to table footer. Grand total belongs to table footer. What about this 2004 subtotal, 2005 subtotal, 2006 subtotal? Those are nothing but break footers. Where I can see the break footer, how I can organize. No, don't click on that. You have to drop down. You have to drop down, manage breaks. See the second checkbox, break footer. Click on OK. Now, is it displaying any subtotal row? It's gone because we disabled that break footer. So where the subtotal is displaying, nothing but it is called break footer. Table footer is displaying the grand total, break footer displaying the subtotal. Don't forget. Okay. This is the way how you are performing the breaking and sectioning. Both are very important concepts in the representation area. Representation area section is important as well as break is important.